Welcome aboard. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-timer, it's important to know your way around the inside of an airplane. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know, from A to Z, about the interior of a commercial plane. Part 1, Boarding and Seating. A is for boarding. When it's time to board, listen for your row number or zone, which will be announced by the airline staff. Follow the instructions to find your seat. B is for seats. Each seat is labeled with a row number and a letter indicating your position, A, B, C on the left side, and D, E, F on the right side. Aisle seats, middle seats, and window seats, choose the one that suits you best. C is for carry-on luggage. Store your carry-on bags in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. Make sure to follow the airline's guidelines for size and weight limits. Part 2, Safety Instructions. D is for demonstration. Pay close attention as the flight attendants demonstrate important safety procedures, including how to fasten your seatbelt, use the oxygen mask, and locate the nearest exits. E is for emergency exit. Take a moment to locate the nearest emergency exit. Remember, they might be in front of or behind you, so count the rows to be sure. Part 3, In-Flight Amenities. F is for food and beverage. Depending on the airline and the duration of your flight, you may be offered snacks or a meal. Don't forget to stay hydrated. G is for entertainment. Most planes are equipped with in-flight entertainment systems. Enjoy movies, TV shows, music, and games during your journey. H is for headrest and recline. Adjust your headrest and recline your seat to find the most comfortable position for your journey. Part 4, Restrooms and Cabin Features. I is for lavatory. Restrooms, or lavatories, are located at the back of the plane. Follow the signs to find them. J is for call button. If you need assistance from the flight attendants, press the call button above your seat. K is for window. Enjoy the view from your window seat and take in the sights during your flight. L is for landing preparation. As we approach our destination, make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened, your seat is in an upright position, and your tray table is stowed. That concludes our journey from A to Z inside the plane. We hope you have a comfortable and enjoyable flight. Thank you for choosing to travel with us. Safe travels.